This is day 3 without power. So we're running on 2 generators. We need about 10,000 watt to run 20 pumps, 400 watt each. The fish are doing okay so far. So we have 9 and 2 more, 11 canisters. 11 canisters, and I have to add into each generator 5 gallons every 5 hours. So I need 50 gallons of gas every day. Right now we're down to 2 canisters. I'm gonna have to go out and hunt some gas in town. So we have no water, of course, because our water is tied to electricity. No air conditioning, no internet. The internet on the phone is pretty sketchy. The fish are more or less okay. We're running only 3 pumps instead of 4 on these 2 tanks. So everybody else is more or less hanging on. I feed them only once a day. I mean, I cut down the feeding by about twice for the most part. I have to feed those 2 big tanks today, but I'm not gonna feed them. I'm gonna give them a few more days. Maybe we'll get electricity sooner than that. Who knows? Most of Naples still don't have any electricity. So that's our little update on September 30th. 2 days after Hurricane Ian hit us pretty good.